Hello guys, you're using back with another video of Catia V5, and in this video I will show you how to design this particular part on the right hand side of the screen. So this is part 10 of Practice of Beginners series. So if you haven't seen the last 9 videos, please go ahead and have a look, and then you can also come back to see this video, which is part 10. So let's get started. First of all, new, I have to make a part. I'm going to name part as part 10. There we go. So right now I can see that I have 2 to 3 different ways of making this. First of all, I can see there are a lot of circles, right? So, okay, I'm going to start with right plane or front plane, whichever plane do you think it is. And then I'm going to make 2 circles right in the middle, the bigger ones. So these two, you can see, I know it's 48 and 32 in dimension. So I'm going to quickly dimension them as 48 and 32 right here. 32. Perfect. Looks good. So both of them are diameters. I got them right. I don't need to worry about it, right? So 32 and 48. I can also see that there's an opening at the bottom. So it looks something like this right here. There's a cylindrical opening at the bottom, which looks something like this right here. And also another 3-point rectangle, let's say, which goes here. I know it might be slightly confusing, like what exactly I'm trying to achieve, but it's everything have a purpose. Don't worry. I'll show you how and what I'm trying to figure out. So I made one rectangle outside and one inside now. So I'm going to get rid of all the extra lines that I don't need, most probably. And you can see that like now the formation of the profile is being made, as you guys can see, right? So the middle one and this particular profile. I don't need this. Perfect. I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this right here. There you go. Now you see, it all makes sense. Well, yes, I could have used mirror or some other features. So this it says 3. I'm not sure whether it says the entire thickness is 3 or one half of it is 3. But it looks like it's from the middle. It's hard to see. It's really small. So from middle, I'm just going to dimension 3 each side. So 3 this side and 3 on the other side as well. Alright, 3 side each. And then the thickness goes around, it says 30, you see. From here to here it says 30, right here. So from the middle it's going to be 15. 15 right here, looks good. And from the bottom till the top is going to be how much? Do we have a dimension here? Let's see. From here till the bottom, that's what I'm trying to find. That's what I'm trying to find. Okay, that's not given to us. That is not at all given to us. Okay, never mind. We might be missing some dimensions here, I guess. We don't have that particular dimension, as we can see. 20 is given. The height is not given at all. Only the thickness is given. Hmm, interesting. Very interesting. So I think we have to make an assumption on this basis because the distance is not given. Or is it 55? Okay, that is very weird. So is it 55 in terms of length? So this 55, that's what I'm concerned with. It says from here. So is it a horizontal dimension or a vertical one? Because it looks like horizontal. But that's 55 from the center to center, my bad. So there are no vertical dimensions, so I'm just going to guess it as it looks around 30, right? It looks something like that. So I'm just going to keep it that way. I'm going to exit out. I know I can simply pad it. I'm going to pad it. I'm going to use mirror extent to make my life easier for upcoming future. I'm pretty sure that that would be required. So 20 is the total thickness as it mentions. So 10 each side, so 20 in total. It looks something like that. I'll make the hole later on, not a big deal. Mm, well, you know what? I could have made the entire thing in one shot. So let me go back to a sketch. I'm just going to add it. I'm simply going to extend this feature as well. I'm going to make a profile starting from here, going all the way straight with another circle, another two circles. So let's say they both are right in the middle as well. There we go. Two circles in the middle, and I'm going to dimension it now. 26 in diameter and 14 in diameter. So from the center till the center, the distance is 55, and we already know it. And so 55 from here, if you guys are not sure where that dimension came from. And then we have a straight line of 6 in thickness. So that is going to be right in the middle. So right in the middle, what I mean is I can simply make two lines going this way, right there, straight. So here to here, this is going to be 3, and similarly from total thickness is going to be 6. I don't care about the length because I'm going to trim it off anyways. Trim, 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 trim. Same here. You trim all the extra lines. You have these two surfaces now of 6 thickness. Perfect. It looks good. I could have also done the same thing here, but I'm going to use stiffener because I like using stiffener. So I'm going to use the center plane. Alright, I'm going to use projection from both sides. I'm going to make it construction element again, and I'm going to make a tangent line, straight tangent line. I'm going to make this tangent to this particular surface, tangency. Looks good, and I'm going to get rid of extra lines right here and this as well. Oh, my bad. Not that, not that. Okay, I'm going to coincide with the surface right here. Looks good. Exit out. Look for stiffener. Look for stiffener. Click stiffener. There we go. It automatically detected. So 3 is thickness. So it's going to be 6 in total. If you try to evaluate, I'm pretty sure you can simply evaluate and see. Measure it from this surface to this surface. Oh, my bad. Okay, this needs to be 6. Okay, looks better. That's fine. I forgot because in some of the softwares that I use, other than Catia, there you have to enter only half the thickness like SolidWorks. So that's why I got a little bit confused. So in this one, we only left with this hole. I'm just going to use hole itself, and I'm going to make the position of it with respect to whatever I need. Position sketch. So I know that it is going to be 10 from one side. So this looks something like 10 here. All right. And is at a height. So the height is not mentioned. I'm assuming it's at 10 as well. Oh, no, I don't think so. That's going to be too high. It says 7, I guess. Oh, right here. It says 7. Not sure if it's the same 7 or not. Okay, the hole diameter that is required 5. And oh, oopsie, I forgot to. Depth. Depth is up to last. Up to last, right? But it's through all both ways. Looks good. Looks really good. So yeah, I mean, this is the only dimension that was missing in terms of the height. Other than that, all the other dimensions were pretty clear. I also tried to do some maths. I also think it's on the other side as well, so I can simply mirror this one, this first stiffener, about this axis if I want to. I'm going to mirror it about this axis. Click OK. I have it on both sides now. So now it's complete. Now I can see it's fully completed. Yeah, I was saying that there is one dimension that might be missing. That is for the vertical of this particular shape. But I think other than that, we don't have any other issues. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Take it easy. Bye.